Hey, what's up guys? 65 Looks here from scaleriders.com. An update, some new items arrived today. Check it out, the new Aoshima snap kits in 132 scale, the R35s. Check this out, Millennium Jade. Then we also have this one here, a Midnight Purple. First time they do these in the 132 scale. Another restock on the jars, 46 mil. And these are back. The nuts and bolts set B, size small from Meng. And we also got some more tape in, 6mm, 10mm, and a couple new kits that just dropped from Aoshima. MF Ghost, this is the Toyota 86, so we got a couple of them right here. And also a huge restock on primer. So Tamiya, we got the gray, light gray, we also got white. These are the pink right here, and then these are the 1200 of Mr. Hobby Surfacer. So these are all in stock right now. All right guys, check it out, scaleriders.com. Peace out.